morning, good afternoon, good evening, my online family, depending on where you're watching me from or the time you're watching this video. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm not alone, I'm with my lovely niece. Today we are back again with another chapati video. We will be making brown chapatis today. So guys, stay tuned, watch this video from the beginning to the end as I take you through the process of chapati, brown chapatis to be precise. Once again, my returning viewers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. My new subscribers, thank you so much, welcome on board. If it's your first time watching this video, kindly hit the subscribe button. Guys, do not fast forward. So let's.
My name is Jahira Mursina, and welcome to our vlog. And today we're making chapatis, and please subscribe to Helen Assange.
Okay, that one does not want to talk. Okay guys, let's make our chapatis. Let me put my camera here. I don't have my cameraman today, so
Her cameramen went to school.
they went to school, and my only cameramen are the ones you have seen, and they are very young. Jaira, go close the door. Right, so we start with brown unga. Kawira, this is the only unga, the brown one.
Wow, you do like that?
Yeah, you receive all of it. It's not a lot. Yay, we are not making a lot of chapatis today. Just a little bit.
Because there's some things in it.
Like 15 or 20. Yeah, just
You
a
do
little.
what because there can be things in it.
Yeah,
How about that one?
but
The
30.
21.
But I'll try, my dear. You want 30?
Yeah.
Okay, we make. Okay.
Can I do this?
You want to help see?
Yeah.
Okay, you can help. Guys, today I'm with my two little nieces here. They are helping me out. Okay. Don't pour. You can also learn how to make chapati from me. You know that?
How did you even learn how to make chapatis?
You know, when you're young, us like the way we grew up,
Okay.
like now the way I'm with you here, every time when I'm cooking chapati, you guys are always around. So by the time you're big, you would have known how to make chapatis. It's the same way with us. When we were growing, when we were kids, we would sit around our mothers and they're making chapatis, and that's how we learned. We learned how to cook. Same case with you. Now guys, when you grow up, you and
I
Nyambura,
know. First
it will be easy for you to make chapatis
we put like this, then we put that.
yeah, and then after that,
You
today we are not going to put we don't have the pumpkin. You remember the yellow pumpkin?
the other time we did
Yeah,
pumpkin.
and because of you guys, I'll put a bit of sugar, but not so many people put sugar. I hope my people can see it. Just guys, hold on, hold here. Let's see if the camera is working. Maybe we are recording. Oh, it is actually, but I can put it a little bit closer.
Hi guys.
Yeah, Nyambura, you're eating sugar. I can see. Don't eat sugar. This one.
Oh.
Really, Nyambura? So you put sugar. You're done with sugar. And then you put a bit of salt.
Can I put the salt?
Yeah, you can put the salt.
A little bit.
A big one.
A big one.
Yeah, scoop a big one, yeah. Just like that. Yes. I think we can add. But again, I don't want it to be too much. Okay, your turn, Nyami. Nyami, you're concentrating on eating sugar. You know the camera can see you. And then, for me, I normally put a bit of some oil. Today, I'm just making simple chapatis.
That means that we have to use
Have you washed your hands, you guys?
Yeah.
Because mine are clean. The sink is right here. No, use the other one.
We already washed our hands.
Nyambura, you're already leaking sugar from your hand. Go to rinse your
We
hand.
already washed our hands.
Yeah, I saw you washing when you came from outside. Yeah, also make sure your hands are clean every time when you're cooking. Not only chapati, any meal. Okay, Nyami? I'm teaching my nieces here how to make chapatis. They are always around me.
And I'm 7.
And the water has to be warm.
I'm 7 years old, and she's teaching me how to make chapati.
Let's see. You can mix too.
I'm
Let me mix
7
for you
years
first.
old. Huh? Can you?
Yeah, the brown is too much. If the brown unga is too much, the chapatis will be very heavy. Hold on. Okay, you can mix. bulb is doing its thing again. It's shaking. Okay, guys. There you go. Some people's the hands that are here, we look like we have 10 hands in the wall.
We have 6 hands.
Not 10. Let's see, this water is warm. Don't put like too hot, or else you're going to use 2 packets of wool, I'm telling you. Okay, guys, let's knead.
It's gonna come out on Sunday, tomorrow.
No, the other Sunday.
Why?
Tomorrow I already uploaded a video. You will see it, very interesting. I'm not gonna tell you, so that you can watch. I don't know. So guys, here we are almost done with kneading. Guys, today I'm not feeling it. I don't know why my body is not responding. It's because I slept very late. You know that, yeah? So my body is still not like, I haven't rested very well.
She sleeps very late because she has work.
So guys, after kneading we are done, and then as usual, kama kawaida, we leave it here for like 20 to 30 minutes. We go do other things, then we come back and make the chapatis. It's not so much because the brown unga was not a lot, but again, I hope I can achieve like 20 from here, which I doubt. Okay, we cover with that container. What do you think?
Yeah. Let's do that.
Cover, yes. Guys, as usual, our bunnies are here. Where did the rest go, Nyambura?
They were just like this.
But there were 12. I can only see.
Oh, the rest of them died.
They died?
Yeah.
Really, Yummy?
Yeah,
they died or you ate them?
They were babies and then they just died.
Oh, they just died?
Yeah.
What killed them?
The bird.
What bird?
A big black bird.
So it came and ate them?
Yeah.
Like, let me understand. The bird picked the bunnies from here?
Yeah, then the bird took a bite and that bird just left in the floor.
Really? So you remained with how many? How many are these?
Five.
There are 6 here.
Yeah, but the other one went to the neighbor's house.
And never came back?
Yeah.
These bunnies are funny. So, wait. The bunny went to the neighbor's house and never came back?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. So I can see Irongo has fed them. And why has he not swept the poop?
You know what I did this? The poop. I don't think
Yeah, but it's not bad. You know, it's manure, this one. It's used to farm. You know that? Yeah. Okay, guys. here we are going to preheat the chapatis, and then the final stage of putting the oil, and then our chapatis will be ready. Today my cameraman are not around, so I'm here struggling with the camera, but it's okay. Let's see if we'll get the round shape, but bora kushiba. So yeah. So this is what I'm talking about. We are preheating the chapatis before we put the oil so that we can attain the final color, you know, the brown color. And like I mentioned before, these are brown chapatis. So I'm preheating them, and then I'll put the oil, and then we'll be done. So guys, stay tuned. Do not fast forward my video. Watch from the beginning to the end. So guys, that's the preheating. Okay, let's continue preheating, heating the chapo, waiting for the final product in that light. So guys, after putting the oil, that's our final product. That's how our chapos looks like. Remember, this was brown chapatis. I did not put any butternut today. It's just the unga, the flour. The brown flour I mixed with white flour, a little bit of sugar, salt, and oil. So you continue like spinning, you spin and spin. You have to keep checking so that you don't overcook them and burn them. So yeah, that is it. Our chapos are getting ready. Yay, I like this one. Hey, it looks so good. Then turn. So guys, we are still here cooking the chapatis, the brown chapatis. It's a process, especially when it's hot like today, and all you're doing is sweating and sweating, but what matters is the final product. So you see, they're getting layers. I'm so used to making butternut chapatis, so when I don't see that color, I feel like they have not cooked, but they have cooked. See, then turn, and then turn again. Keep spinning like that, and then you put oil and make sure you spread evenly everywhere, but don't put too much oil again, so that the chapatis won't be very oily. You spread and spread like that. And this kind of pan is the best. You know, these old one, tradition ones, they make the chapatis very well, because once it heats, it will be all the way until you're done making the chapatis. You have to keep checking. It's hot. And that's how our chapatis looks like. Keep checking, spinning if you can, though it can be hot, so you can use the spatula to spread. And mine are too soft that if I use the spatula, they are tearing up. Turn again, turn like that. And that's our final product, guys. That's how it looks like. Okay guys, that's it for today. We are done with the chapatis. Look at these guys. And please don't mind my kitamba. This one has to be there when you're cooking to avoid the hair falling into the food. So guys, thank you so much for always watching our videos. Consider subscribing if you have not. Until next time, bye bye. Say bye. Zahira.